Hi, my name is Fred Hoikling. I'm the owner of FH Industries here in Pulaski, Wisconsin, and this is the collapsible rocket stove. The point of a rocket stove is to use your fuel more efficiently. If you're ever in a situation where you don't have gas or electricity and you want to make whatever scrap wood or firewood or just twigs and branches, whatever you can find in your yard, use that to cook a meal for your family. That's where a rocket stove would come in. It's just a more efficient use of fuel. It's more efficient because it gets hotter. It gets above, this one gets above 1700 degrees, which is why it's made of type 304 stainless steel. And it'll last your whole lifetime, and hopefully your kids' whole lifetime too. So, well, the point of this video is to show you how to put it together, and here we go. Comes with the instruction manual, comes with the main housing, and there's 4 parts total. Your housing, your feed tube, your chimney, and your separator plate. This aside. Okay, setting it up, pretty straightforward. You just expand your housing like so. You're going to put it on a little sheet of stainless steel there. So you close the grill and you expand the other components. Like here's your feed tube. The front of your feed tube has 2 notches. These notches are for the separator plate, and they go in the front of the stove, the side with the medallion. Okay. And this is your chimney. Your chimney comes with a layer of insulation. This is just header wrap for a vehicle, say, but this is lava rock header wrap, which means it's going to withstand the temperatures of the rocket stove. It can handle something around 1800 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. So we put that in the hole in the top of the feed tube, and it just slides right in. Close the top of the grill again. And then your separator plate. Now there's 2 tabs on the side of the separator plate. They're going to insert into the sides of your feed tube, and they also insert into 2 grooves in the front of the chimney. Now the point of the separator plate is to allow an independent air passage for both the fuel and the air. So there it goes. The fuel is going to go on the top, and the air is going to have a continuous draw on the bottom. It's just a standard kind of L-shaped rocket stove design. So to get this thing going, I've got some scrap wood here. These are just some shims I picked up from Menards, and I'm going to put them in the top of the chimney. First I'll put in some scrap paper from a previous version of an instruction manual that I'm not going to be using, and just 3 crinkled up sheets of paper. And then we'll drop in these shims here and close up the grill front. Now you don't have to use one of these. You can use just a regular lighter and drop in some paper, but I use this, and I put it through the air vent, and then if you can get it all the way to where it's touching the paper, it starts going pretty quick. You usually don't want to cook on it for a couple minutes until it really gets hot enough that you're going to get a pretty efficient use of your fuel. I've also got a 2-quart pot here. This pot is stainless steel. You don't really want to use aluminum because it does get so hot coming out of the chimney that it can melt the aluminum. You don't really want to be breathing that in. And in a couple minutes, we'll start cooking the water. We'll see how quick we can get it to boil. And thank you for watching.